Let's sew an adorable bandana your pup will love. First, cut your pieces. You'll need 2 mirrored pieces of side A from your main fabric, and 2 mirrored pieces of side B from your accent fabric. Now let's assemble side A. Place the 2 pieces right sides together and pin or clip them in place. Sew along the side seams using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Leave the top edge open. This is how we'll turn it later. Repeat the same steps for side B. Right sides together, pin or clip. And sew the side seams with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Again, leave the top edge open. Before turning, clip into the seam allowance at each corner to reduce bulk. Turn both pieces right side out through the top openings. Use a blunt turning tool to gently push out the corners, then press everything flat. Finish the raw top edges on both pieces using a serger or a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying. Now it's time to attach the layers. Place side B on top of side A, aligning the top edges. Offset the bottom points so the accent fabric shows. Pin or clip in place, then sew along the top edge with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press the seam allowance open so everything lays nice and flat. Fold the bandana along the seam with the seam tucked inside. With side B facing up, sew along the top edge using an 1/8 inch seam allowance. For top stitching, switch your thread so the top matches side B and the bobbin matches side A. This keeps each side looking clean and color coordinated. Next, use a heat erasable marker to draw a line for your collar channel. Sew directly along that line, with side B still facing up. Then simply iron to remove the marker line. And that's it! Perfect for your own pup, a thoughtful handmade gift, or even to sell. Have fun mixing fabrics and trying seasonal prints.